Alright, welcome back people. Switches. A switch is a more efficient alternative to using many else-if statements. It allows a value to be tested for equality against many cases. Here's an example of where a switch would be useful. I have a small program. We will tell a user to enter in a letter grade, and depending on their grade, we will print a custom message. If grade equals A, we'll print perfect. Else if grade equals B, we'll print a different message, so on and so forth. So it's considered bad practice to use a lot of else-if statements. A better alternative is to use a switch. Here's how we can create one. Type switch, parentheses, curly braces. Whatever value you would like to examine for equality placed within the parentheses. I would like to examine my grade. And now we need to write some cases. Case, and then some value you would like to test for equality. So I am comparing characters. I will write the character A, colon. Then if these values match, we will execute some subset of code, kind of like an if statement. Let's print perfect. And then add a break afterwards. Then you can add another case. So case B, you did good. Case C, you did okay. Case D, at least it's not an F. Case F, you failed. Now you can add a default case. This functions like an else statement. If no other cases match, we will execute whatever's within our default case. So that means there are no matching letter grades. So let's print, please enter only valid grades. And let's test it. Enter a letter grade. A. This will print perfect, whatever's within our matching case. Let's try it again. B, you did good. C, you did okay. D, at least it's not an F. F, you failed. And if there are no matching cases, we will execute our default case. How about W for win? Please enter only valid grades. The reason that we add breaks after each case is so we can break out of our switch and exit. Let me show you what this looks like if we do not have any breaks. Now let's say that we have a C letter grade. You did okay, at least it's not an F. You failed, please enter only valid grades. So the reason that we have breaks is to exit out of our switch. If we have a matching case and there are no breaks, we will continue executing each case that comes after. So it is important to have those breaks if you want to exit out of your switch. Well, yeah, that's a switch, everybody. It's a more efficient alternative to using many else-if statements. Using a few else-if statements is okay, but it's considered poor practice to use a lot of them. So yeah, those are switches. If this video helped you out, you can help me out by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.